Want to turn words into stunning visuals? Meet ideogram.ai. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Today Things. Today in this video we are going to see ideogram.ai. It's a generative tool designed to transform simple text into high quality images. This was released on August 2023, so which is quite different from other AI tools because it's give you the images with accurate and readable text in it, so that is the unique point of this AI. This makes it ideal for graphic designers, marketers, and creative professionals looking for clean and typography based contents. Sorry, basic visuals. So yeah, user can put a simple words as a description here, like a few words they can give, or they can give a detailed description, and this ideogram.ai generates a stunning visuals for them. So it supports a wide range of use cases also. Here you can see in explore page you will be having a wide range of use cases, from crafting logos and posters to designing greeting cards and social media content, and many more we can do here. So for if you are designing a t-shirts like print on demand kind of thing, you can have logos that will be printed on your t-shirt. Or if you want to create a YouTube thumbnails, you can create, and you can want to design any logos for your business. You can do everything here with this tool. This uses deep learning algorithms which are highly trained, and that will give you this kind of beautiful visuals to you. So yeah, it uses fine tune. It gives so many options here. If you give simple text, and also you will be having one thing called as magic prompt, so which is very called as a standout feature of this AI tool, which can creatively expand or improve your user inputs for more dynamic image creations. Whatever you have given, that will give a magic prompt for that. That will give a detailed expression of that, so that you will get a related or very good visual as an output. And ratio also, you can select what kind of image ratio you should get. So you can have it as a public or private. So if it is a public, you can publish this, and you will be your visuals should be seen by other users also. And the latest model we have is 2.4. Previously we were having 1.0. And next we'll be having color platelet. So over visual elements, you can select these colors. And then which are subscription models. The free versions are these things only. So for one visual it will be using 2 credits. Coming to plans, we will be having 10 credits for each day. So other day at 12 a.m it will be reset. So that is the free credits we have. If you go for subscription plan, that will be different. To know about pricing plans, you can go and check out the price upgrade plan kind of thing. So plans for creators for all kinds. The free is having these kind of things: 10 slow credits per day and up to 40 images. So yeah, basic is a $7, and then plus will be $16 per month, and pro will be $48. So this is how pricing of ideogram.ai will be there. So as of now, we will be operating a free model. So meaning basic features are free, but advanced tools will be our higher resolution outputs may acquire with a subscription model. Okay. So yeah, this is a key advantage of this ability to create long and the text-based images, which is critical for bland logos or advertisements or posters kind of thing. Unlike other AI tools, which is often missing with letters or words in the visuals, which they are getting maybe of Meta AI or Chat GPT, which are not having a text on the images which they are generating. But this ideogram.ai will be different, so that will help you to ideal for social media managers who can need rapid, consistent, and attractive content for the platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, or YouTube. Also for YouTube, also you can be create YouTube thumbnails. For this, I will show you which I have created it in the next few minutes. So yeah, this anyone can you create, and without any need of expensive softwares like Photoshop or advanced design skills, anyone can use this for their visual creations, like creating of kind of things. So this growing collection has over 1 billion public creations are there, providing endless inspiration for other users worldwide. Here in explore page, you can see the visuals which are created by the users. For example, this is the design which I am taking. The prompt given by the user is make a motor vehicle or modification shop logo to make an attractive to all youngsters. The modern bike in neon theme, and the bike is sports bike. The shop name is Bikers Heaven. So the magic prompt that generated here is the neon sign with the text Bikers Heaven. There is a sport bike in front of the shop, and the bike has a custom parts. The background is dark. So this is the magic prompt generated by this ideogram.ai, and here is the visual they got for that prompt. So other in other format, we can you it will be giving you the four visuals for one prompt, so that you can choose which is desired for you or which you like most out of four. This platform is regularly updated with the versions. As of now, it is 2.0, introducing new features, including improvement in text accuracy. Because in previous version 1, we will be having not accurate text. What we are giving it some letters or something is missing. So now we can see an accurate text and in a visual cat and also visual clarity we have. This tool is available in both web and mobile. For iOS app already released, app also already released for iOS user, Apple users. For Android, it is in still development, which can wait a few months for that. So its user interface UI will be like this. It is designed for simplicity and ensuring that even non-experts can use this platform to generate professional grade designs. So this is where you can share your designs in your profile. You can make it as public or private. Here I have designed a few YouTube thumbnails. I will show you like how I have created these thumbnails. I will show you the prompts for this. For example, this is the thing. So what prompt I have given is a 3D, here you can see a 3D render of software employee in a grey hoodie with a beard, dressed in a formal attire. He is standing against a background filled with boards and AIs and websites. So here is the prompt. You can pause this video and have a look on it. How the I have given in prompt, so that the it will convert into a magic prompt, and then it has given. See the magic prompt. A 3D render of software employee, developer with a beard and wearing a hoodie and format. He is standing against a background filled with chatbots, bots, AIs, and web pages and mobile apps. The developer is holding a tablet. There is a bold comic style text full software application creation using AI, and the prompts used in SDL below it. So next to the text below the comic style text is so AI first software engineering course. So like this I have given, and this beautiful image has got created, and other images are also created. So I have chosen this, and which I have make it public. Okay, so I have pinned it here, and all you can have, and the like it, you can even like and place these images. And this is how we can have this your profile here. And upgrade plans we have seen already. Homepage where you can have explore and my images. So whatever you have created will be in my images, and all will be there. And you one pinned, what you have pinned will be there. In public, what you have made public will be there, and private, so which you have not made public will be in the private list. So here is give a simple prompt, so it will generate your text. So let me show you like how we can able to design logos. For example, I'm giving like a photo with logo, mm, and cave title. Just bake. Just I have given a simple kind of thing here, not much. See, magic prompt is on, and the ratio of this is 1:1 ratio. Visibility is public, and that's it. You can just click on generate. It will be using 2 credits. So yeah, it is in, yeah, all my images, all you will be having all. So see, just bake cave. The logo has created with a coffee cup. See how accurate the text is, and the description which I have, and the what requirement I have given is successfully fulfilled.